morning, good morning. Happy Thanksgiving Day. Morning, Dong! Morning! Good morning! Ha? Ampay ah? Ampay. Hey! Happy birthday, brother! Itong ating mayaman na batang binata, swerte ang mga pangasawa nito. Basta na, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay. Sarap ba yung bulalo?
Oh yeah.
Si papa mo nag-shopping, nag-enjoy.
Fresh yun eh.
Oh yeah.
Ano yung bagong katay?
Yang mabiro kan dari atap na ito yun.
Mga ganito, kasi kayo exercise na raw. Sabi ng aking, sige.
Sige ka.
At ako'y agpapalangit. May birthday boy si Jasper. Uy.
Have you seen a video with the turkey?
No, I don't know.
Watch it. Happy Thanksgiving. Watch the video.
Okay. Why? 6 hours. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Ang aking chicken. Turkey. Ayos hours. Okay, good morning, good morning. It's Monday. Friday. Tapos ang Thanksgiving. Aris yung mga bata muna ngayon. Mauuna sila. Then susunod kami ni Ace. Balik namin is Sunday morning. So may na-rent kaming van. Okay, tara. Gym muna ako. Gym.
Now I want a nap. Who's driving? You?
Obviously. Why did you crash it or something?
Yeah.
How much did they have to pay? 300 is not high.
No, 3 crashes.
Bye bye.
Oh yeah, I need it. Okay.
Okay, paalis na sila. Oo, na sila. Yan o. Yung GoPro.
Don't forget to love Abby and go walk her around.
Okay. Dito na. Okay na? Naiwan no? Walang bill si Angel no? No. Dito na ako sa likod. Okay. Katabi mo na lang anak ko. Dito ako para diyan kayong dalawa. Diyan kayong dalawa. Okay, we are here. Okay, we're good. Napasok na kami. Ayos na.
Looking after it.
Airport. Dito na kami na Ace. Ano?
14 minutes. Oh, you're next to me.
Hey, split na.
Heck. This is my first time at the window seat. I'm never at the window seat. Yeah.
Double jacket natin. Natin kung makaano siya lamig. Lamig. Ang double jacket ko. Huh? What the heck? Di-lift kami. Ginamit na yung card ko kasi Magana yung card niya. So, diretso tayo ng Caesar's Palace.
Please remain in the customer waiting
Ito
area
yung
until your driver has arrived.
Caesar's Palace tayo.
The waiting area until your driver has arrived and informed you of their row and stall number. Please do not block the crosswalk area while you wait for your driver, and do not load while the driver is in the travel lane. Thank you.
So, what was the car again? What was the white
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen?
Mag-a-alarm naman niya.
You are at the Terminal 1 rideshare Uber Lyft loading area.
Uber
Please
tayo.
remain in the customer waiting area. And stall number. Please do not block the
Diyan na kami.
crosswalk area while you wait
Oh,
for
1
your
minute na
driver.
lang.
And do not
Make sure you're
load
getting a
while the
message.
driver is in the travel lane. Thank you.
Ano may kaya na doon?
Wait. I don't know.
1 minute.
I think I see them over there. Did you get a message or anything?
Wala pa.
No?
Anong sabi mo 1 minute?
I think it's over there. That white Volkswagen.
Oh, yeah. Volkswagen. Di ba to? Ace?
That's a Chevrolet.
Oh, wala pa eh. 1 minute pa eh.
Please remain in the customer waiting area until your driver has arrived and inform you of their row and stall number. Please do not block the crosswalk area while you wait for the driver, and do not load while your driver is in the travel lane.
Pick up in 1 minute. He's going to message you right here.
Oh, okay.
Just remain in the waiting area.
Okay. So,
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your right shirt
Wait,
at home while you're waiting. Keep your Uber and Lyft at home. That's very important because once your driver pulls out a taxi, the road letter, your stall number, where he position his car.
wala sa harap, sa likod lahat. Hindi pwede tayo sa harap, sa likod lahat. Bawal sa harap. Ace. Hi there. Eh, dito lang sa Caesar's Palace.
I got how much I hate the smell. Huh?
Sarap? Yung motor, oh. Ganda, oh. Go!
We're going to go across, right?
Because when we went, we got free entry. Yeah.
We have to cross the bridge.
Oh yeah, you cannot lie. You can't buy anything. Right? So go. Like
So they block. When you walk in, it's okay. Man. 18th December.
Anna, they're on top of you.
How do you get up? So?
It's kind of like in, Arte Museum.
There.
Where's that?
Gelato.
Like coffee?
Guys,
Just a little coffee.
So 30 bucks.
Nick?
How did you decide? We were hungry. I told you guys. Hi, Dad.
10 years. Dati, kung may iwas, makatulong ang parents ko. Yung parang laking dagat.
Virgin there. Oh,
That was Sino ang masama sa pakiramdam? Good morning. Good morning, Vegas. Good morning. Tulog pa sila. Okay, alis na. Tulog. Okay. Ito sa baba, kape. Nasa 8th floor pala kami. Tulog pa yung mga bata. Cromwell ba ito? So, kailan ba tayo magkakape? Magkakape tayo. Ano tayo? Umaga. Ano tayo ng kape? How big is medium?
This one is.
Okay. Is it strong?
Yeah, it's kind of strong.
Small.
Okay.
How much is the small one? The small.
750.
Muffins? How much? Dito. Sa pangalan de?
Lita.
Si Ate Lita. Ano ako sa San Fernando, San Juan?
Marami kaming kwan. Artistica Bagyan Media, Ilocos Norte. Isa malapit sa...
Kamusta ang diga kadamon dyan eh? Shout out ka. Ilocana. Yeah, ingat. Malamig. Oh. So dyan kami, Cromwell. So ikot tayo. Ay. Caesar's Palace. Diyan kami galing kagabi. Caesar's Palace. Mirage. Gonna try na dito. Yeah. Yeah, see.
Oh, that you
Wala kang manalo dyan. Ever.
I didn't play this.
Talo na. Panalo.
You want it back? Take it out now.
Nainggit si Iso.
Take it out. Oh shit! Cash out. What? It's still going. That's a free game for out of eight. Oh.
Damn, gan.
Magkano tinaya mo dyan? 160?
How much did you put in there?
$50.
Muna. Ito natin.
Oh my God! Cash out mo na baka maano ko siya.
Magkano? Magkano?
Hey, that's double!
How do you get that card?
How much, Roy?
It's free!
Wait, so
Kompleto na yan. Yung credit card.
SAM.
Here, on top. On the right. The black one.
Just
Yeah.
now charge to 8.
Go. Parang hindi ko nakikita siya.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. I like
Dude, I didn't realize it's an auto. I was like, dude, this is an automatic
Okay.
deck. I should have.
It's close to. That's the north.
Okay.
One spoon sunny side up with rice.
Tangin yun.
Yeah, let me just get some for you.
Actually, mine makes less than
Oyster. Trip store. Kayo kay? Store. Oh, good.
Thank you.
Okay. I think we'll be. Where's it at?
Okay, pagkatapos kumain, nabusog sila, kaya ako, nagkape na ako kanina, sila naman kape daw. Give me money, Jel.
Dad, give me money. Come on! I'm hungry.
Yan, paalis na kami. Ayan, nagpalit ng sakyan. Wow! It's big. Grabe pa rin ang tao dito. Katapos ng Thanksgiving.
Sama na ba dyan yung akin?
Maganda na itong gibay. So, ganda. Ang baryo. Nalo. Miss it. One more. $1 birthday. Yung kinukuha niya. Las Vegas $130,000. Tingnan mo yung YouTube ko.
News!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Temptation! Oh, Kiana, let's drink, Kiana.
Okay.
Come on, Vegas! Oh, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Wala. Okay, that's it. Let's go. Uwi na kami, nakaready na ako. So sila ay tulog po. Ako'y magkakape sa baba. Let's go, kape, kape. Kape, kape, kape. Kape, kape, kape. Kape, kape. Kape, kape tayo. Okay. Let's go, kape, kape. Kape. Okay, kakain muna kami sa Max. Let's go eat.
Nobody to give me a room though.
Okay, dito kami sa Max kasama yung mga bata. Kakain muna bago kami magbiyahe. Sa Max tayo. Yun, oh. Max! Kain muna bago magbiyahe kasi mahaba bang biyahe namin. Let's go. Okay, kain muna tayo. Max!
But do you want fish or do you want to wait for a few minutes? I don't think that is it. I just like when the wait was my car. Yeah, I just like
Okay.
because sometimes when you have this people.
Oh, meron ako. Bandana. $10.
So patient though. I mean, I try to hold it.
See, if they would have just put everything out at the same time, we would
This is from Max. Max.
It says Max's chicken.
Yeah, huh? Oh.
No, this is a match.
Okay, bye done. Really?
Yeah. Bye. Let's go. Look like Tita Shell. Grabe. Malamig pa rin. So, alis na kami. Nabiyahe na kami papuntang LA. Let's go. Okay, another restroom break. Siguro mga ano pa kami, mga 3 hours pa hanggang sa LA. Si Kiana, yung anak ko, kasama niya si Angel, tapos yung friend nila si Audrey, kamalas na sila, na flat tire. So medyo tumawag na sila ng AAA. At nandun si Ace saka si Roy Jr. Pinuntahan nila kasi 3 lang silang babae. So tapos mag-convoy na lang sila. So pag minamalas talaga, so flat yung kanilang tire, so medyo gabi, so delikado, 3 babae pa naman, pwedeng, pero pinuntahan na ng 2 kapatid niyang mga lalaki. Okay, break muna tayo.
When we were in that